Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here. Just wanted to show you guys a great way that I washed my Model 3 using Optimum No Rinse and the 2-bucket method. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, before we get started, let's go ahead and take a walk through around the car to see it's not too bad. A couple spots that are pretty dirty. We'll see if the camera picks this up here. A couple fingerprints there by the door handle. Some spots on the windows. Like I said, it's not too dirty right now. That is until you get to the back window. Yeah, so we're going to get rid of that. And we'll keep going here, walking around. Got a spot here on the roof, so that'll be gone when we're done. Some dirt on the side mirror. There you go. Alright, now we're ready to get ready for car wash. So let's go ahead and grab our Optimum No Rinse. Love this stuff. Alright, you'll notice I've got 2 buckets, both filled up with about 2 gallons of water. They both have grit guards at the bottom. And all we're going to do is fill up one of the buckets with 2 capfuls of solution. Alright, now we're going to let that sit for a moment, and you'll see that's going to be our wash bucket. So we're going to put the microfiber in there. That is our wash solution and water. And then over here we have our rinse bucket. That one's just going to stay clean. It's going to end up dirty. Alright, so we're ready to wash the car now. 2 microfiber towels. Blue is going to be my wash. Red is going to be my dry. You can do whatever you want. Color coding just helps. Not pick the wrong towel. So I'm going to put the red one down. And we're just going to drop the blue one in. I've already inspected the microfiber towel to make sure there was nothing on it, no little tiny wood chips or hairs or anything that could lead to the car scratching. And then what I like to do is just slosh it around. Let it sit in the solution for a moment. And then we're going to take it out, squeeze it out. We want this to be wet, but not dripping all over the place. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take the towel, pretty big towel, we're going to fold it in half, like that, and then fold it in half over itself again. And what this is going to let us do, it's going to let us do 4 areas of the car at once. Alright, so let's begin. So first thing I'm going to do is the windshield. I'm going to put it down on one side, light pressure. Now, flip the towel over, do the next section of glass. Half window, so now I'm going to fold it in half again on top of itself. Alright, then fold it on top of itself one more time. Alright, now, so while that's picking up solution again, waiting for the next piece of the car that we're going to do, we're just going to dry the car in the same exact order in which we washed the car. I always like to do the top of the car first and then work my way down in sections. I feel like it's the fastest way to get it done with the best results and not have to go back over yourself. Alright, so we're done with the glass. Alright, next up we're going to do the back of the car. We'll see if one pass is enough. Usually it is, but again, the back of the car was pretty dirty. And if we pick up a lot of sediment on the towel, we don't want to keep going over it. Alright, now while I dry off what I just did, I want to talk about why this car wash method works so well. One, it's 101 degrees outside right now in Florida. If I was outside, my car would be dry as soon as I put any kind of water-based product on it, leaving streaks all over the car. So that's one. Two, it's going to save a lot of water. You'll notice I don't have a hose constantly running. It's 4 gallons of water and that's it. Just sitting in a bucket. Alright, so you can see the top of the car is done and the back of the car is done. All we have left is the sides, the front, and some of the trim areas. Alright, let's pick back up for the side of the car here. 4 sides on my towel, 4 doors, works out perfectly. So let's start at the top, work my way down. Alright, now, again, flip the towel over. I'm going to grab the other side and be right back. Wash off the towel again, rub it against the grip guard on the bottom of the bucket. That helps get anything sticking to the towel off. And then let's dry off the car following the same order we washed it. Finish up on the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, let's finish up with the hood of the car. I'm not too dirty, but I always want to look for bugs. Fold it into quarters again. Start with the hood. Now it's a good time to mention my car does not have ceramic coating and it does not have any paint protection film on it. So this is a process I do every week. I feel like I get great results and I definitely save some money. Flip. Yeah, we'll follow the same process for drying. Go right over where we washed. All right. Main piece of the car is done, everyone. All right, let's finish up the body of the car now. I've got the front open, the trunk open, and all 4 doors open. We're going to go through the grooves and crevices now. Drop it in the solution. We'll dry off the 2 doors in the trunk, and we'll finish up on the other side of the car. All right, let's finish up the other side. And while we're doing that, I'll mention this is called the 2-bucket method. I'm sure many of you have heard of it. Alright guys, home stretch. Glass, wheels, tires, and we are all set. Alright, For this last step, I'm going to use Optimum OptiGlass Clean and Protect. I love this product, and I've got a waffle weave towel to go with it. This is going to leave no streaks on the windows and also will not scratch the windows, so that's a great combination. The key here, and I had to learn this when I was overdoing it with the spray, so just spray a little bit, really just 2 spots, lightly, and that'll do this whole half side of the windshield. Again, just wipe until you don't see any streaks. One spray per window. Again, that's all you need, just a little bit. All right, top of the car is done. All we have left is the wheels. All right, remember color coding's everything. I equate wheels and tires with black, so I've got a black microfiber towel to do the wheels. Again, with a Tesla and regenerative braking, the wheels really don't get that dirty, actually. You never see any brake dust on them, but same process we've been doing with the rest of the car. I'm gonna just wash the spokes here with my towel that was dipped in the same solution from my car, but again, a new towel. Now, unlike the body of the car, wheels I'll actually just do one at a time, and then I'll dry off, spend a little more time on them. I like to make sure that they are always looking good. All right, home stretch here, guys. 2 more wheels. Okay, guys, last wheel. Okay, that's it. All right, we'll come right back to put the finishing touches on with the tire shine, but just wanted to show you the buckets. You'll remember this one was blue with our blue solution. A couple little bits floating around in there, but still that same pretty clean blue solution. Yeah, that's what came off the car. So if you wanted proof that this works, I know I've heard from people, I don't believe it. There's your proof. Look at that bucket. We'll do a walkthrough of the car in just a second. Let's put that tire shine on, then we'll take a look and see how the car came out. All right, we're back for tire shine. Check this out. This is called the Zane Tire Shield. Put that on like this. It comes in you can customize the size. If you have multiple cars, you only need to have one. Beauty of that, I can take my Trinova tire spray, which honestly I've tested a lot. This product really just lasts and holds up during the work week. But now, kind of freely spray. I'm gonna get a lot on the floor, but I'll clean that up in a bit. But now, none of it's getting on the wheels. Take that off and you can see, perfect, nothing to worry about. set. That's going to dry clear, and we'll take a look at it in just a minute. All right, guys, we're all set. Let's take a look, see how we did. Again, that tire shine will dry clear. We don't have to worry about that. It's not going to stay like that. You'll remember we had some dirt on the glass. That's all gone. Car's looking shiny. You can see me in the reflection pretty nicely. There's our back window. I think you remember what we had all over that. That's looking pretty clean. A lot of reflection off the paint. Looking all good over here. I think we did it, guys. That is Optimum No Rinse with the video time. I'd say it took us just over an hour, but a lot of that time was spent recording the video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helps, and check the description below. That's where I'll have an update on all the products I used. And happy car washing, guys.